It's not the middle of the night, so you know we're only going to drop from there. Expecting down into the teens. Now that's in the city, maybe some single digits in the outer suburbs, and you can even see some snow showers still working across town right now. Outer fringes of the storm system still a little too close for comfort. May even see some dustings across Nassau County over the next hour or so. So it's an Arctic feel this evening. I think we'll take that Arctic air right into tomorrow, and the winds are going to stay up with gusts at or above 30 miles per hour. Wind chills, that's the big story. We got code blue alerts across the tri-state area for single-digit wind chills as we go into the overnight hours. And there's the flurries right now over the FDR. You get down towards parts of Brooklyn this evening. We got still some snow showers eastern Suffolk County around Montauk as we have this trough of low pressure that'll swing through here. And they say misery loves company. How about all the states right now that are under some sort of a cold weather advisory stretched from Chicago all the way down towards the panhandle of Florida. So this is some real deal Arctic air that's pouring in, and it's going to be on top of us for tonight. We're down to 18 in the city, frigid winds, 9 to 19 for the outer suburbs, 9 being achieved over the snowpack of interior New Jersey. And then tomorrow, only getting into the middle and upper 20s, low 20s as you get up towards the northwest New Jersey hills, where you could see a spot snow flurry during the course of your afternoon. So futurecast, again, picking up those snow showers through the rest of the evening. But the big story is the winds gusting upwards of 30 miles per hour. That's going to make the real feels feel like it's into the teens and negative digits. Tomorrow morning on the morning show, we'll be showing you negative numbers up towards the north and the west, 3 above in the city, 4 down towards Middletown Township into Monmouth County, and all day spent into the teens. So it is going to hurt tomorrow with those gusty winds. And we're not getting out of this cold tunnel anytime soon. That jet is all the way down towards Florida. Could you go to Florida to escape the cold? No, because they're going to be below average for the next 24 to 48 hours. The good news is by the middle of the week, this jet's going to try to pull towards the north. That will eventually scoop up some milder air, but it is a slow crawl and slow progress. Maybe by the end of the week, we could shoot close to 50 degrees, and it's been 3 weeks since we hit 50 degrees in Midtown. So that's going to be a nice treat. It's going to feel like a heat wave by the end of the week. Here's your cold air the next couple of days, 29, 33 on Tuesday. We keep it dry until Thursday. We will be back into the showers, not snow, and we'll get to a daytime high of around 50 degrees. It's breezy, blustery as we get into next weekend. Here we go again. We're back into the 30s at day, 20s at night by next weekend. So we'll get through these shower variety Thursday and Friday. Yes, a bounce in temperatures, but no sustained warm-up, Heidi, in the next 7 days. Yeah.